Okay, the catch tray is done and slides in and out just like I'd like it to. I got a little curve on the front of it for fat bellies. And so I got one more tray to make, which goes directly above the catch tray. All the drawers are pretty much done. They're all sanded. So I need to take the knobs back off, and I am going to stain it and see if we can get a decent color. I don't know how well pot plywood stains. Here again, I wish I would have put a maple top on it, but you know what? I looked at a Durston and they were about $2,000, and mine cost about $250 plus the labor and the time. So given that, I'm kind of pleased with it. Really looks good as far as I'm concerned. I mean, I made it with a chop saw and a table saw. So, and this is the stain I chose. It's a dark walnut. So, and you can see the drawer slides right in. These drawers work beautiful. So, okay, this project has turned out to be quite a bit longer than I had planned. But you know what? I got all the time in the world, I guess. So I can't wait to get this stain and get it up front and show you guys a few lessons on jewelry. As always, thanks for watching. This was a short video, Sunday night, so I'm going to go home and think about whether I want to put any more drawers in this or be done with it. There will be one more just above the bench pan. Adios for tonight. I'm closing this video off and sending it to you on YouTube. Happy New Year, everybody.